So guess what's happening? I'm getting the Minisplit installed already. So stay tuned. Unfortunately, I had to go in a different direction. Instead of using that, I go into more detail once it's finished. I went with this brand, Satori by Alcantara. It's still hot and cold, but it's only 1 ton or 12,000 BTU. It's already hooked up over here. The outside unit's being hooked up right now. What's up? So that thing is done, and let me show you how that thing looks. And it's feeling so far amazing. Let me show you. So it's currently about 50 degrees outside. Inside the garage is currently at 65, and it's increasing, steadily increases. I actually just closed the garage door because we just finished up over here. And I gotta say, that thing is doing its work. 75, set up at 75 feels really warm over here. The only thing I don't like about this right now is how this thing is set up, because this is a 110, it's not a 220. So it is a 110, it's currently hooked up to that outlet right there with an extension cord. So what I'm gonna do to avoid all this mayhem right there, when I run the wires, it's actually running at about the same height. So the wire is actually running right here. So I'm gonna open up the wall right here. I'm gonna make another outlet right here. And from there, I'm also gonna bring it up and run an outlet right next to that. So that way I don't have all these wires hanging right now. So I'm off all this week, and I will be go ahead and taking care of that. And this was less expensive than what I thought. So if you are in the Houston area, send me a message on Instagram at AlexMTV84, and I will hook you up with this guy. And if you ended up getting that thing, I will get like free maintenance for 2 years. And I guess if you do the same thing for him, it'll do the same thing for you. So if you're in the Houston area, you want something like this, send me a message and I'll hook you up. So currently, I'm gonna have to put those on sale just to get my money back. This is a way better system, way better system than what I have installed. It's a 220, it's a 18-seater. It's Mexican brand Mave, which is the same thing as GE. So that's a good thing right there. I don't know if I can sell it well. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. If I don't sell it, I might just go ahead and put it on the apartment upstairs and get rid of the central AC system, because I don't need the central AC to be running all the time. And this one is actually Wi-Fi capable, so I can control it with an app, so it'll be good to go. So at this point, my shop is complete. I have everything where it needs to be, and I'm pretty happy with the results so far. So the only thing that I do want to do, especially during the summer or before the summer, I want to put some foam panel insulation in the garage door right here, so that way the 12,000 BTU Minisplit can actually keep up with the Texas heat. Either way, I will leave if I can find that on Amazon, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below, or the other brand that the guy carries, which is about exactly the same thing. I will link them in the description below. Great price. And I guess I will do a year update once the time comes by. Another thing that I wanted to do today, well, that guy was working over here, I got the stock outer wheels out of the shed, and I was lacing up the front wheel with the cruiser hub, but I couldn't do it. The last 4 spokes, they're too short, so after I started struggling, I measured the diameter of the original hub and this cruiser hub. The original hub is 70 millimeters in diameter, and the cruiser hub is 67 millimeters in diameter, so I'm off by 3 millimeters. If you have had the original outer wheels with the Cruiser XM 490 hubs work and the original spokes, let me know, because that means I'm doing something wrong and I want to go ahead and take care of that. Other than that, I hope you've liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on. And that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. And I guess I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.